Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the secrets of our galaxy? The Milky Way isn't just a beautiful band of light, it's a cosmic treasure chest filled with mysteries and surprises. From its swirling arms of stars and gas to its supermassive black hole, our galaxy is a place of wonder and discovery. Today, we're uncovering 10 unknown and fascinating facts about the Milky Way that will leave you in awe. Our first stop takes us deep into the heart of the Milky Way. Now, you've probably seen pictures of spiral galaxies before. They're these majestic whirlpools of stars and gas, and we used to think the Milky Way was just like the rest of them. But we were wrong. You see, the Milky Way isn't just any spiral galaxy, it's what we call a barred spiral galaxy. What does that mean? Well, imagine this. A vast, straight bar of stars, billions of them, cutting right through the center of the galaxy. That's the bar in a barred spiral. This structure isn't just there for show, it plays a crucial role in the life of the Milky Way, funneling gas and dust towards the center, fueling the birth of new stars and even feeding the supermassive black hole in the galactic core. So next time you see a picture of the Milky Way, remember to look for the bar. Okay, get ready for this one because it's a real mind-bender. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, the very structure that contains our solar system and billions of other stars, is warped. Yes, you heard me right, it's twisted. Now, when I say warped, I don't mean it's suddenly going to fold in on itself or anything dramatic like that. It's more like, imagine a vinyl record, those big flat discs that people used to listen to music on. Now imagine someone gently bending the edges of that record. That's kind of what's happening to the Milky Way. The outer edges of our galaxy are slightly twisted, bent out of shape. Why? Well, astronomers believe it's all to do with gravity, the force that holds everything together. The Milky Way isn't alone in the universe, it's surrounded by other galaxies, smaller satellite galaxies, and even dark matter that we can't see, but we know is there because of its gravity. And it's the gravitational pull of these cosmic neighbors that's thought to be tugging at the edges of the Milky Way, warping its once perfect spiral shape. At the heart of our galaxy, hidden from our view by clouds of gas and dust, lies a monster, a cosmic titan of unimaginable power. I'm talking, of course, about Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole that sits at the center of the Milky Way. Now, when I say supermassive, I really mean it. This black hole tips the cosmic scales at a mind-boggling 4 million times the mass of our sun. Imagine that for a moment. 4 million suns crushed down into a single point of infinite density. It's enough to make your head spin. But before you start worrying about the Milky Way being swallowed whole, let me reassure you, Sagittarius A* may be a monster, but it's a surprisingly well-behaved one. It's not actively gobbling up stars and planets on a galactic scale. In fact, it's relatively quiet for a black hole of its size. Astronomers believe that most supermassive black holes, including Sagittarius A*, go through cycles of activity and quiescence. And right now, thankfully, ours is in a bit of a dormant phase. Chapter 4. The Need for Speed. Hold on tight, folks, because we're about to embark on a high-speed cosmic joyride. You see, the Milky Way, our home sweet galaxy, isn't just sitting still in space, it's hurtling through the cosmos at an astonishing speed of 600 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to travel from Earth to the Moon in just 10 minutes. Now you might be thinking, why are we moving so fast? Where are we going? And those are excellent questions. The answer, like most things in astronomy, comes down to gravity. The Milky Way is part of a larger cosmic structure called the Local Group, a collection of about 54 galaxies, all bound together by their mutual gravitational attraction. And within this group, the Milky Way is being pulled towards the most massive galaxy in our neighborhood, Andromeda. So, we're not just drifting aimlessly through space, we're on a collision course with Andromeda. But don't worry, this cosmic crash is still billions of years away. Chapter 5. A Galaxy of Planets. Let's turn our attention now to the possibility of other worlds, other planets, scattered across the vast expanse of the Milky Way. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Is there life out there in the vastness of space? And for the longest time, we simply didn't know. But in recent decades, thanks to incredible advances in astronomy and telescope technology, we've started to uncover a truly astonishing truth. Planets are everywhere. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is teeming with them. Astronomers now estimate that there are over 100 billion planets in the Milky Way. That's right, 100 billion. To put that into perspective, that's more planets than there are stars in our galaxy. Chapter 6. Echoes of the Early Universe. Let's travel back in time now, to the very dawn of our galaxy, to a time when the first stars were igniting, bathing the cosmos in their brilliant light. Scattered throughout the Milky Way are these ancient relics, stellar survivors from a bygone era. These are the oldest stars in our galaxy, some nearly as old as the universe itself, a staggering 13.6 billion years old. To put that into perspective, that's almost 3 times older than our own sun. These ancient stars are like cosmic fossils, their light carrying with it secrets from the early universe. By studying these stellar elders, astronomers can piece together clues about the conditions that existed in the Milky Way's infancy. It's like having a time machine, allowing us to peer back into the distant past and unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins. Chapter 7. A Galactic Appetite. Now, prepare yourself for a tale of cosmic cannibalism. Because the Milky Way, our seemingly peaceful galaxy, has a bit of a dark secret. It's a galactic cannibal. Over billions of years, the Milky Way has grown to its impressive size not just by forming new stars, but also by devouring smaller galaxies. That's right, our galaxy has a history of galactic snacking. Right now, as we speak, the Milky Way is in the process of merging with a dwarf galaxy called the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal Galaxy. This little galaxy has been orbiting the Milky Way for billions of years, but its orbit is decaying, and it's slowly being pulled apart by our galaxy's stronger gravity. Over time, the stars and gas from the Sagittarius Dwarf will be incorporated into the Milky Way, becoming part of our galaxy's own structure. Chapter 8. The Dark Side of the Milky Way. Now let's delve into one of the most profound mysteries in all of astrophysics, the enigma of dark matter. You see, when astronomers observe the Milky Way and other galaxies, they've noticed something strange. The stars and gas in these galaxies are moving much faster than they should be, based on the amount of visible matter, the stuff we can see, that's present. It's like there's some invisible force, some hidden hand, influencing the movements of these galaxies. And that, my friends, is where dark matter comes in. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation. That means we can't see it directly, hence the name dark matter. But we know it's there because of its gravitational effects. Astronomers estimate that dark matter makes up a whopping 85% of the total mass of the universe, including our own Milky Way galaxy. Chapter 9. A Cosmic Dance of Destiny. Get ready for a cosmic showdown billions of years in the making, because the Milky Way is on a collision course with our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now, before you panic, this cosmic collision is still about 4.5 billion years away. That's plenty of time to prepare, right? But on a cosmic timescale, it's practically tomorrow. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the 2 largest galaxies in our local group, and their mutual gravitational attraction is drawing them inexorably closer together. As they approach each other, their gravitational fields will begin to distort, creating these spectacular tidal tales of stars and gas streaming out from each galaxy. And then, the main event. The 2 galaxies will collide, their stars and gas clouds intermingling in a dazzling display of cosmic fireworks. Don't worry though, it's unlikely that any stars will actually collide with each other directly. Chapter 10. Cosmic Nurseries. Our final stop on this cosmic journey takes us to the stellar nurseries of the Milky Way. These are the regions where new stars are born, where clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravity, igniting to form brilliant, hot, young stars. These stellar nurseries, known as molecular clouds, are some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring sights in the cosmos. They're often found in the spiral arms of galaxies where the density of gas and dust is highest, and they're absolutely massive, spanning hundreds or even thousands of light years across. Within these molecular clouds, gravity is constantly at work, pulling the gas and dust together into denser and denser clumps. Eventually, the pressure and temperature at the center of these clumps become so intense that nuclear fusion ignites, and a star is born. Outro. Keep exploring. The Milky Way is more than just our home in the universe, it's a place of endless wonder and discovery. From its warped shape to its ancient stars and mysterious dark matter, Our galaxy continues to amaze and inspire us. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing at a galaxy full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.